Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a beginner tutorial on how you can use MIDJOURNEY in Discord. Let's begin. So here we are in Discord, and the first thing that we would need to do is of course join the Discord server of MIDJOURNEY so that we can use it. So you can see it here by clicking this button right here at the bottom left. You would see explore discoverable servers right here. So it will be right here if you have a lot of servers right here, but it might be right here if you only have a few servers. So you just want to find this button and then you want to click it, and then you would be prompted right here. And right away you would be able to see MIDJOURNEY right here in the featured communities. But if you can't find it, then you can just type here in explore communities and type in MIDJOURNEY. And from here you would see the MIDJOURNEY option, and you want to make sure that you click the one with the verified badge right here, right next to its name, so that you make sure that it's legit. So you want to click on it. And then once you do, you would be able to get started on joining it, and all you have to do now is basically just go into your server. You could add your MIDJOURNEY bot, or you could just go into the channels right here, one of the rooms right here in the MIDJOURNEY channel right here. So you can also do that and type your prompts right here and use MIDJOURNEY bot. But we're gonna go to our sample server that we have added earlier right here. So we have added our MIDJOURNEY bot into our server. So if you don't know how to do that, it's simple. You just have to go to MIDJOURNEY server and find a MIDJOURNEY bot and click here and click on the MIDJOURNEY bot, click add to server right here. So let's go back. And from here, what we're gonna do is that we are going to use a prompt. So if you would like to generate an image, what command you'd be using is type imagine and /imagine and then hit enter. And then you want to type your prompt or your text right here to be converted into image. So maybe Disney princess sitting on a tree. Maybe like that, and you want to hit enter. But you would need a subscription right here. So if you don't know the prices for MIDJOURNEY, or you don't know where to subscribe for your subscription, then click here on manage account right here, or you could just type /subscribe right here, subscribe right there. And then from here you can click here on manage account, and from here go to visit site. And now you would be prompted right here in the MIDJOURNEY website right here. This is where you'd be buying your plan. So it depends on you on what you want from here. So you have a wide array of choices right here. So once you've done that, then you should be able to use the services of MIDJOURNEY right here without any restrictions. But now I'm going to show you on how you can use MIDJOURNEY on a more detailed sense. So right here, when you use it, when you use the prompt, you would be able to say it like this. So yeah, when your image pops up, you would be able to see this buttons right here. It says U1, U2, U3, U4, and V1 to V4 right here. So what that means is that U stands for upscale, while V is version. So if you would tap or click on U3 right here, it would mean that it would upscale the image number 3 right here. But if you would tap the V3, then that would mean that it would make more versions of that certain picture. So if you click on V3, then it would make more versions of the picture number 3. And that's basically how easy it is. And yeah, if you're satisfied with one of the images that was being shown to you, then you can just upscale that image. So example U4, then you would be able to download it at the highest quality. And now that you've done that, then you now know the basic controls or the basic options right here in MIDJOURNEY. And that's basically it for this tutorial.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.